The 2022 lawn season, it's the first day of spring, it's 65 degrees, and it's time to get out on the lawn and start doing some work. So you've been sitting around all winter and you're ready to get outside. Where do you start? Do you want to spend money? No. The first thing you need to do, and the first thing I'm going to do, is I'm going to get my rotary mower and I'm just going to do a cleanup cut, shorten the grass a little bit, get off some of that desiccated dead grass, and get this green grass pumping. And for today, I left off last year with a Kentucky bluegrass renovation on the front and an overseed with perennial rye in the back. The front, I have what is hopefully just annual rye, and it should die off early summer, late spring, and the grass will just look great at that point. If not, I've got a perennial weed that I'm probably going to have to either very carefully paint with glyphosate, or I'm going to have to just start pulling it as much as I can every time I can do it, or I just have to start over again. So hopefully it's an annual, and if not, we'll figure that out. But for now, we're just gonna deal with it and ride it out. We're gonna cut it low. Today I'm gonna do a rotary mow, so I'm gonna get up all the sticks, dead grass, just a cleanup mow, cut it, get it going. I'm gonna bag some of that, and then we're gonna hit it with the reel mower at 1/2 inch. We're gonna use the push reel mower. The gas-powered reel mower is in the garage. I still have a few things to do to that to make sure it's golden for the year. Let's go ahead and get to it. Let's do our first mow. Before I turn on the lawnmower, I wanna just make sure that all the leaves along the fence are pulled out and I can suck them up, put them in the bag, throw them in the compost pile. It's a good way to get it cleaned up and make everything look fresh. All right, that's the cleanup. As you can tell, we've got a lot of grassy weeds we're gonna have to deal with. We're just gonna have to play it by ear. Let's check out this bag and see how the junk we cleaned up. One full bag. Leaves, grass, there's all sorts of sticks, dog poop, you name it, it's in here. I advise this is the first thing you do. Just do a cleanup cut. Don't worry about anything else. All right, next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna use the push reel mower set at 1/2 inch. So the whole point of that is just to get the height of cut set for my lawn before it really starts taking off. And that way we have it set, we're good. It'll look the height, it'll look most of the year, and it'll make it look real clean. All right, everybody, that's the first cut of the year. Get out in the lawn, do your cleanup cut. It's the easiest way you can have a good lawn. Cut your lawn often. Don't worry about the products right now. Don't buy anything. Maybe some gas for your mower. Plug it in if you have an electric, or if you're like me and you got a push mower, just get after it. Get out there in the lawn. It's gonna make your lawn so much better if you just cut it. Just cut it a lot, clean it up, make it look good. You'll love it. We'll see you guys next time.